Welcome to our video on beating bloating tips and tricks for a flatter stomach. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights and practical advice to help you overcome bloating and achieve a flatter stomach. Bloating is a common issue that can cause discomfort and affect your confidence. We will explore the causes of bloating, discuss effective tips, and lifestyle changes you can incorporate to reduce bloating and achieve a flatter stomach. So, let's get started. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will address a topic many of us struggle with: bloating. Bloating can be uncomfortable and affect our daily lives. But worry not, because in this video, we have compiled some fantastic tips and tricks to help you overcome bloating and achieve a flatter stomach. So, let's jump right into it. We've all experienced that uncomfortable feeling of bloating. It's that extra buildup of gas in your digestive system that causes your stomach to feel swollen and distended. Bloating can be caused by several factors, including eating certain gas-producing foods such as beans, lentils, broccoli, and carbonated drinks. The good news is, there are various tips and tricks that can help alleviate bloating and achieve a flatter stomach. Let's dive into our first tip. Tip 1. Mindful eating. Our first tip is to practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite, focusing on the flavors and textures of your food. Eating too quickly or while distracted can lead to swallowing air, which contributes to bloating. Additionally, proper chewing can aid digestion and reduce bloating. So take your time and enjoy your meals. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps prevent constipation, which can contribute to bloating. You can also incorporate hydrating foods into your diet, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and celery, to increase your water intake. Tip 3. Incorporate probiotics. Probiotics, commonly found in yogurt or available as supplements, are beneficial bacteria that can promote a healthy gut. Incorporating probiotics into your diet may help reduce bloating and improve digestion. You can also consider consuming probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir as a natural way to support your gut health. Tip 4. Reduce sodium intake. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to water retention in the body, leading to bloating. It's important to be mindful of your sodium consumption. Try to minimize your intake of processed and packaged foods, as they often contain high levels of sodium. Opt for fresher alternatives and season your meals with herbs and spices for flavor instead. Tip 5. Physical activity and stress management. Regular physical activity not only helps improve overall well-being but can also aid in reducing bloating. Exercise encourages movement in your digestive system, helping to prevent constipation and bloating. Additionally, stress can exacerbate digestive issues, including bloating. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga into your daily routine. So, there you have it. By practicing mindful eating, staying hydrated, incorporating probiotics, reducing sodium intake, and embracing physical activity and stress management techniques, you'll be well on your way to beating bloating and achieving a flatter stomach. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and it may take time to find what works best for you. Embrace a healthy lifestyle and these valuable tips, and soon you'll be saying goodbye to bloating and hello to a flatter stomach. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.